In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a hyperlink inside a Word document. So here is a dummy document that I am writing usually for my blog. So in this document, I want to insert hyperlinks so that I can move to specific section. And if you are preparing for Microsoft Word exam, then this skill is the must, that you must know how to insert a hyperlink inside a Word document, because usually we can easily insert hyperlink to external website or external mail, but we face problem when inside putting links inside the document. So first of all, if you go to Insert tab and click on Link, so you will find this existing file or web page option, place in this document, create new document, or email address option. So to place inside this document, we have two choices. Either your document should comprised of headings, or you should have bookmarks bookmarks on your inside your document. So I have you can see I have one heading on top of the document, how to configure OSPF Cisco router, and this insert hyperlink wizard or dialog box has already detected. So if you have a document like this, there are no headings, so you have just bold or italic this kind of text. So you can create a bookmark first. So to create a bookmark, uh, like I have here four options: adding serial cables, that is nearby to the my configuration steps, but assigning IP-2 devices is on the second page. So what I will do, I will create a bookmark here. I will select the text and click on bookmark, and I will name it test and click on add. And now I have to give this reference of test to this hyperlink. So text, first select your text when you want to place your hyperlink inside this document, then click on link. In previous version, we have a hyperlink option. Now it has changed to link. So here you can find the test bookmark. Click on OK. And now this is have underline text. So you can type control plus click to move to your assigned bookmark. So in this way, you can assign the hyperlink inside a Word document. Thanks for watching.